Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally format color in Tableau. This is a powerful way to make your data visualizations more intuitive by using color to highlight patterns, trends, or specific thresholds in your data. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Tableau website. Type in www.tableau.com in your address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the main landing page with various options for getting started with Tableau. Next, you need to sign into your account or open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, depending on which version you're working with. Look for the sign in button if you already have an account, or if you prefer working locally, simply launch Tableau Desktop or Public from your computer. This is where you'll be building your visualization. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook. Click on Explore in the navigation menu, then look for the new button. When you click it, a drop-down selection will appear. From there, select Workbook. This creates a fresh workspace where you can start building your visualization from scratch. Before you can visualize anything, you need to connect to your data. On the start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect. Here, you can choose your data source, whether it's an Excel file, a text file, or even a database connection. For this tutorial, click on Files and select Upload from Computer. Browse through your files and select the dataset you want to use in Tableau. Then click Open. Once your file finishes uploading, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type in something descriptive and then click Publish. This ensures your data is ready to work with. With your data connected, it's time to start building your view. Drag a dimension to the rows shelf and a measure to the column shelf, or you can do it the other way around, depending on what you're visualizing. For this tutorial, we'll drag date onto the column shelf and product name onto the rows shelf. This gives us a basic structure to work with. Now let's add total sales to the filters area so we can control which data points we're looking at. Here's where things get interesting. Click on the total sales field in the marks card and change it to text. This displays the actual sales numbers directly on your visualization, making it easier to see the exact values you're working with. Now to add color based on those values, drag another instance of total sales onto the marks card, but this time instead of selecting text, choose color. This is the key step that allows Tableau to apply conditional formatting based on your data. Once you've added it, you'll notice the text color starts to change automatically based on the values. To customize this further, click on Color under the Marks section, then select Edit Colors. This opens up a dialog where you have full control over how colors are applied. In the Color Palette dropdown, select Diverging. This type of color scheme is perfect for conditional formatting because it lets you set conditions based on a start point, a center point, and an end point. You can configure these based on your specific needs, like setting the lowest numbers to one color, the highest to another, and having a midpoint color to represent average or neutral values. And there you have it. You've successfully set up conditional color formatting in Tableau, making your data visualization more meaningful and easier to interpret at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.